I'm California personal injury attorney Neil Shouse. I get calls all the time from people who say, I was in a car accident and the other party was at fault, but they don't have insurance. What can I do? The answer is that you really have three options. First, the best option is to look to your uninsured motorist coverage. This is optional coverage in which your insurance company pays you when the other party has no insurance or doesn't have enough insurance to cover your damages. 2. Sue the other driver personally. Maybe he has a house or a 401k or other assets you can collect on. However, chances are, if he doesn't have insurance, then he probably does not have assets that you're likely to be able to collect on. 3. The third option is to seek money from the State Victim Restitution Fund. Because drivers are required to maintain car insurance, a person is breaking the law if she drives and causes an accident without it. If you're the victim of this, you may be able to get restitution. If you're an accident victim and the other party does not have insurance, call us here at Shouse Law Group. We'll help you explore options to get compensation anyhow.